This bird eats its own baby. This is the oriental white stork or eastern stork. Rare birds that live in East Asia. One of its unique behaviors is throwing its own children out of the nest. This happens when there are too many children, or there are those who are considered too weak to survive. In this way, the mother stork can focus on caring for the healthiest chicks and strong. This is not a cruel act, but a form of natural selection in many species. The eastern stork is now threatened with extinction and become a conservation focus in China, Japan, and Korea.